Previously on Dragon Ball Z.
You want to talk about this bad boy, or you leaving that on ice? You want to wait till it?
We ain't gonna say too much about this one.
Okay.
I was gonna say we can take it out, but we ain't gonna say too much about this one.
Yeah, so it's up to you, man. It's up to you.
This is gonna be the grudge card, so you gotta stay quiet.
Ooh-wee. I'm gonna have to set the GoPro up for this one, fellas. 1 second.
Because I don't think on this one we're not gonna be able to avoid it anyway.
Yeah.
But on my GoPro you can't really tell what this shit's saying anyway.
Ooh-wee. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we done went from the Benz, now we in the Cat. Now we in the Cat. First time in the Hellcat. God damn, where it went.
I knew not to trust that motherfucker.
Yeah. There went GoPro number 1.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get a ghost mount for that.
Yeah. Alright.
Let me see. Nah, yeah. We'll still get something in here. Maybe. Strong as hell.
I think I got like water or something put on there.
Huh?
Some water or something, make it sticky, I guess. Well, it should be straight.
Nah, man, it's A1 now. I'm keeping it 100. What you didn't do, I don't think you wiped it. I think you put it down on there and picked up all that damn dust. Then you wiped it off and then put it back down on there and didn't wipe the suction cup.
Yeah, brought that damn dust right back in the same
Yeah,
spot.
because I just wiped the suction cup off and it should be straight. Yeah, it's just stuff. She's stuck into. That motherfucker stay.
Yeah, kick tires out for sure. Kick tires out for sure.
Yeah, we got no traction on that pull. Not even a little. So hopefully that got some heat in the tires and we can try it again.
Jeez.
Yeah, hopefully that got some heat in the tires and we can try it again.
So what size tires would you go here? What, 305?
I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna actually stay on a 275 boy as long as I can.
Mm-hmm.
Even on the radio, I'm gonna go to a 275. I know it sounds crazy, but
Yeah.
that's 275X, bro. That's drag radio.
Yeah, true.
Like, so the 305 thing, that's cool. But if I can hook a 275 and the best that they can do is hook at 305,
Yeah.
they cook.
Yeah.
All things equal, only difference being the tire size. The 275 outrun the 305 every time.
Yeah. Every time.
And that's what I'm going for. So we'll see. Like, hopefully, it may not work. I may end up on a 305, but I'm damn sure going to swing at the fences with that 275.
Yeah, shit, 275, shit, 295, shit, try it.
Like, because I feel like every person with a Hellcat instantly go to a damn 305 or a 315 or just what the fuck ever. Okay, I doubt she gonna hook this 40, but we're gonna try. I short shifted this too. I don't know if you felt that or not, but I did.
Ooh-wee. motherfucker was sticking.
Yeah, it feel like it's on the hook like glue. I fucked up my engine. Get some change right there anyway. I ain't gonna do it. But you see how hard that shift is? That's what I was telling you about the pressures in it and shit. But that bring your transmission line pressure up from where it's got RPMs.
There, boy.
Oh, that supercharger power is something
Man.
so different.
I wouldn't be able to keep my foot off of it. I'm trying to tell you.
Oh yeah,
tell you.
It'll make you though, because you'll get to this point right here, and it's gonna fuck you up. Let's see, where is she? Where is she? Yeah, we ready for what's You see what this ain't current?
Man.
7. 8.
Yeah, that gas.
So you do it the first few times, and then after you start realizing, bro, I done been to the gas pump 5 times.
5 times this week.
Fuck this week, it's been 3 days. Or the first time you fill it up and then you look down at the thing and it say range 107 miles. You like, bruh. Alright, eco.
Eco mode.
Swear to God.
Nothing like it, man. Ain't nothing like it.
Nah, it really ain't.
American muscle. Ain't that what Toretto said? American muscle.
Swear. So we'll see if we can get the one to actually hook where it can pull. I can't promise on that. We're gonna try though. We might have to go out to baby Mexico to try to get it.
Baby Mexico. Baby Mexico. Hell yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do, because this bitch is in front of me. I know baby Mexico gonna be hoping like always. I got my radar, I'm straight.
How much that cost?
Basically, $1,000. But the way I looked at that was if it saved you from 3 tickets, it's paid for itself.
Yeah, real shit.
It'll save me from a lot more than 3.
Real shit.
Because that one will pick up around curves and mountains and shit like that.
Damn.
So it don't have to have a perfect straight line to pick up, which the cheaper ones do.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to grab one of them out there. So, well, I just got my ticket and raised my damn insurance up.
Between that and running waves, you almost can't miss, bro. Like dead ass. The only way that you can, and I ain't gonna say that they can, because you can honestly defeat it too, but the only thing is the guns, the laser guns, when they be shooting the laser at it.
Yeah.
If they shoot the laser at it, it's too late, because it ain't had time to detect it. You know what I mean? For them to shoot the laser at you, they done seen you already. But if they radar like the cars ahead of you, oh, it's gonna pick up. It'll pick that bitch up as soon as they shoot that bitch. The only problem is if he wait until he see you the fucking radar to hit you with that gun, it's too late. It can't do nothing for that. You know what I mean? It picks up. It can pick up a signal that's active. It can't pick up a signal that's not there.
Okay.
So if he don't have his radar on, there's nothing for it to pick up. So, but at the same time, if he ain't got his radar on, he can't tell you how fast you was going. So there ain't no speeding ticket either.
Right.
So for anybody out there doing street racing, street speeding, I drive over the speed limits. Go get a radar detector.
Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
Like, it's definitely worth it. Even if you ain't racing, it'll keep your ass out of jail and keep points off your ticket. I mean, off your license. But we have now made it to Little Mexico.
Oh my God!
Don't stand a chance, Jack. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes, man, the Benz and the Hellcat. You know what I mean? Appreciate my guy for showing love, man. Somewhere you can find you on all your socials, you know what I mean?
Man, just nitrous AMG 63. That's on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Or Jim Omar.
Yes, sir.
Either one, we out here.
We out here, man. Knoxville Cars Enthusiast page, you know what I mean? He an active member, you know what I mean? Show some love. This thing gonna drop probably sometime this week. I got a lot of editing to do. But the Hellcat and the Benz, man. It's a tough lineup. It's a tough lineup. Anybody got a Urus? Holla at me. Anybody got a...
We can pull out on Buddy.
Yeah.
We just passed the nigga with a yours.
Oh, damn, you sure did, yeah.
And he was outside.
I didn't even see him. I was in his ass. He was flying.
Well, we know where he at now, though, so.
You know where he at.
We bumped down on him. I'm sure he ain't gonna trip. You see a cat pull up in this shit.
McLaren's, you know what I mean? Turbo C8 vet.
Here, I don't know how to turn yours off.
Everybody pull up, man. Show some love, subscribe, like, share, comment, tell your pastor. You know what I mean?
He can pull up too.
He can pull up too. Bring the Cadillac out, man.
Yeah, we scared the devil at him.
Oh yeah, we see y'all in the next one, man.